everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a get ready with me using new products. Some stuff isn't like 100% new, but it's stuff I haven't tried yet. Some stuff is from the haul that I just recently did, and some stuff is not new, just like this Milani foundation. I don't have a new foundation, so we are just gonna go with it. I'm going to put the foundation on with this It Cosmetics by Ulta heart-shaped brush. I haven't used it yet, so I'm kind of excited to try it. So I'm going to use my NYX Angel Veil. This is a very, very nice smoothing primer. On with my fingers so I can really like massage it in, and then I'm going to take a tiny bit and I put it on my lids. I've been putting my face primer on my lids lately, and I think that it makes a difference. Like if you put that on and then you put another primer on top of it, I guess layers, I find things work better. So what we're working with right now, I am in the shade Light 00B Light, Milani Concealer Perfect. I'm going to take some and pump one pump on my hand because this is a full coverage foundation and I don't really want it to be full coverage. This brush, this heart-shaped brush, I bought because Robbie Christie keeps using it and she like says she loves it, so I'm like, okay. And I wanted to get it anyways just because it's a heart-shaped brush. They also have a star-shaped brush. And that's good and cute, but I don't know if I really need that one. So I'm gonna do like one, like a little tiny bit more. So like a pump and a half is what I'm using for this foundation. It's a really full coverage foundation, so I haven't used a brush to apply foundation in such a long time. I just found it to be more, I don't know, not time consuming, but like I had to wash more brushes. But I guess in the long term that kind of made me wash brushes because I keep using a beauty blender and I just wash it before every use because I have to get it wet anyways. So okay, so for eyes I'm going to go in with this Essence I'm With a Band palette, and then this Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. It says face palette, but it has shadows in it too. So I will play with this and this today for the funs of doing so. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with the NYX eyeshadow base in the pot. So this is a Sonia Kashuk brush that came out years and years ago, like years. I feel like it was like when Sonia Kashuk was like first in Target. I got this. It's like a breast cancer awareness kind of brush. And my mom got it for my birthday. I got my washcloth. I'm ready to go. I have a couple of these purple ones. They're like hand towels, I would say. So I just keep using these because they're dark. And they're not exactly black, so I like them. So there's really no like transition shades in any of these, and I could go like purple or pink or purple or blue kind of colors. I think I'm gonna try to do purple. So I'm gonna start with this shade from the Essence palette. It's called Jump Around. It's like a pink tone. I'm just going to place that and start like building that up as much as I can. Let me zoom in a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so I didn't set my shadow base because I haven't tried this palette, and we're all familiar with like Essence shadows. They are what they are. They've kind of stepped up their game though from what I've been hearing and what I've been seeing personally. So far this looks actually really cool. Building that Jump Around shade on like the outer corner, and I'm going to bring it all the way onto the lid. blend it through the crease. It's an all over shade. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going with this, but we're just kind of rolling with it. So that's that Jump Around shade. It looks a lot more pink on the camera in the viewfinder, and it's a little bit more kind of, I don't know, more like a purpley pink kind of a tone. Alright. Now, if you're familiar with shadows and you've been playing with them for a while, I'm sure everyone kind of knows what I'm going to say is that purple is hard to find. So not exactly, probably shouldn't have gone the direction that I did, but obviously we did. So I'm going to take Purple Rain right here, and I'm going to try to build that up in the crease as much as I can. It may blend out to nothing, but we'll see what we can get. So I'm going to kind of take it more above the crease that I normally would. Kind of just on the brow bone here. You know, this is probably gonna turn into some kind of like New Year's Eve look or something. Crazy colors, bring in the new year with a bang. With some beautiful colors. Alright, so I'm just kind of going back and forth and building each eye up together because I feel like I've learned over in the past that if I do this, then I don't kind of have one eye doing good and keep trying to go in and even them out. If I can do them at the same time, it's like easier for me. Okay, so that pink probably helped a lot out with that purple being a little bit more vibrant, having that kind of more base of a purple down, I guess. But let's swatch this purple just for giggles. So this is Purple Rain. That's not too bad of a swatch, actually. So when I bought the palettes that I bought from Essence, I got them on sale, but they're never really ever, they're very, very affordable. So I would definitely get this if you wanted to play with colors, and so far so good. So I definitely get this if you're looking to play with colors. So I'm going to get a clean, kind of like a fluffier brush. This is my brush I always use for. I'm just gonna take this brush that I use for blending and just blend these edges. Okay. Alright, so from the Pure palette, I'm gonna take this kind of, it's like a glittery-ish purple shade. It's called Disguise, and I'm gonna take this one of those Luxie brushes, on a Luxie brush. I swear, BoxyCharm is just slowly building up everyone's Luxie brush collection. So I'm going to take this and kind of place this here in the outer corner and pull it into the lid a bit. That's that Disguise shade. Maybe it's going to just add a little bit of something. I'm going to go back in with that purple and pick up a little bit more Purple Rain and put that back here in the crease. I'm going to take that same brush that I was using for the Disguise shade. I'm going to take this What's My Name Again shade right here. It's like a darkerish purple shade. I'm going to take this and build this up on the brush and then tap, tap, tap. And kind of lightly, well, maybe push a bit harder so we can get some color. So I'm going to blend again. Okay, so we have this Ultimate Brow Mascara in the shade Nothing But Brunette. It's like a tiny little wand, so let's kind of try it out from this Wet n Wild brow kit. I was at Walgreens getting some medicine and I had to wait for the prescription to be done. So I went and I just kind of pursued the makeup aisle as you would. And I found this. I don't know what to do with these little hairs at the beginning of my brows, because now I'm like, no, that's like too much product in you. Alright, so that actually doesn't look too bad, and it's actually a really good shade for me, so I like that. Then I got in this kit the Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. So it has a spoolie on one end, which is nice. It's kind of a small spoolie, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. And then there's like a small triangular tip on it. I'm not sure if you can get different shades in the kits, but this is medium brown, which I guess I just looked at with that. It's kind of a stiff brow pencil. Maybe I just need to kind of warm it up a bit, but it looks nice, and I should have used it today, but I forgot about this kit. So I guess I will use it on another time. Yeah, it looks like you can see the colors on it, so I wonder if you, when you buy it at Walgreens, if you can pick the colors, because it says kind of like with the brow pencil, it's medium brown, and it says the mascara is brunette and stuff like that. So then it also has this thing it also has the Ultimate Highlighter from obviously Wet n Wild, but this is one that Emily Noel talks about all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Just kind of put it here under the brow. That looks nice. I think she talks about this one. It's this or like just like a eyeliner pencil. I think she uses this though in her waterline. I'm just taking my brush that I used for concealer to kind of blend that out. Oh, it's not too bad. So I'm going to put this in with my stuff for brows, and I think I will definitely continue using that. So the thing I'm going to open now is the Ultimate, the like stencil kit, because it looks like it kind of has a couple cream shades in there. So it comes with stencils that are right here. It has a little kind of angled brush, which you could actually potentially use. Some little mini tweezers, which are actually super cute, and then a tiny spoolie, which is once again super cute. If I could get it out. Here's the spoolie, like the tiniest spoolie ever, and then a little brow brush and the tiniest tweezers. So that's actually kind of cool. Then this has like a film over it because it looks like it has a cream shade. They should probably should have put the film or something on the cream shade you can get out. But these are actually pretty cool little shades. I'm going to take the brush that it came with to kind of see. I would actually use this. I kind of go back and forth with the wax is like extra waxy. I guess you could use the wax to hold your stuff down, or mix the shades with the wax. Let's see what the stencils are made out of. Actually, they're pretty thick. Like, they're a thick stencil. I mean, if you're definitely just getting into brows, I would recommend this little kit. Pretty cool. And I got mine for like $5.09, so try it out. Try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line, and then we'll come back and finish the eye look and be done with be done. So I lined with the Milani Stay Put Matte 17 2-hour liquid liner, and I like it. I haven't used it in a little while, since probably the tutorial that I did, but I really like it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go and be like a little bit crazy and fun with the lower lash line. And I'm gonna take this blue that came in the Pure palette, and this is called Showtime. And I really want to take this shade and put it on the lower lash line. Go Sandman, and I'm gonna take that shade and I'm going to place this here on the inner corner. And for my mascara, oh my gosh, my eye is watering really bad over here. There's something about that blue. Interesting. So I'm going to take the Power Volume Intense Volume Boost Mascara from Essence. I got this one time and it was all like the stopper was gone. It's like really great, but we're going to try it today. Let's see what we get. That's what the brush looks like. It's real skinny. Oh my gosh, this is like Clump City, this mascara. Oh my gosh, I do not know if I like this mascara. It's like clumping so bad. Let's zoom in so you can really see. Okay, it's like clumping. I have like 3 lashes. If you like that look of like clumpy, stuck together lashes, and this will be for you. And like I have like this one right here, like, I don't know. I really like this mascara. I will not recommend it. I kind of don't even want to keep trying to apply it. So far, this mascara is no good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Pure palette again and apply some of this like highlighter that's in it. I'm going to apply highlighter first before I apply blush so it can kind of blend together. Ooh, it's golden. Ooh, it's pretty. This is a brush from Walmart, by the way. I thought that I had a new blush, but I don't. So I'm just going to go in with the blush that I've been talking about for a while. I'm just going to take my Swarm Beauty blush. I've been talking about it for a while. I linked it in the last video. I just like it because it's like goes with like all the looks that I'm doing that are a bit crazy, so. And then I'm going to take this like kind of bronzery shade. I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of that on like a dual fiber brush that I have right here and just kind of take that like I did with the Pixie stuff last time and just kind of take it and dust it so it looks like we have a little bit of sun. I like to do that when I do a little bit more like colorful looks because it kind of balances your skin and your face. Skin and your face, your eyes and your face together so that they don't look a little bit, they don't look crazy all together. So the next thing I'm going to take this 3-piece lip balm set from e.l.f. And I have 3 shades here. In the last video I didn't swatch very many things because I was kind of in a little bit of a hurry. And I am going to swatch them right now. So they don't have names, but I'll show you all 3 of them. They came in a little holiday gift set. So there is like a kind of burgundy toned one right here. That's that burgundy toned one. I kind of just feel like more or less a more moisturizing lipstick. And then this is like a red toned one, it looks like. Kind of a brighter berry red. It looks like it could be super fun for right now. But I think for this look I'm going to take this one, which I think I did swatch in the other one. It's like a neutrally toned one. So let's apply that right now. It goes on kind of sheer. This looks like it's right up my alley. Almost kind of feels like nothing. Oh, I really like that. It's very, very naturally beautiful color. So, alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If it was fun to watch, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys do like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And if you are new, thanks for stopping by. We are a cruelty-free channel, so I just kind of like to throw that in there. Sometimes I don't. It's always at the end of in the little outbox. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.